Okay, let's see what's on today's to-do list. Huh? Huh. Monday.com's board and item structure is intuitive and accessible. It takes a regular list of tasks and makes it more simple to understand and action. But if you've ever used or managed multiple boards at once, you'll know that keeping on top of it all is easier said than done. If you work with a team who all have their own items across multiple boards, no matter how good the board looks, it can still look a bit of a jumbled mess. However, Monday.com has an ace up its sleeve, where it can take all of the tasks from all of your boards and put them into one place. That ace is called My Work. And to take you through My Work, here is our Monday.com expert, Becca.
One of Monday.com's most underrated features is the My Work page. It takes all the items from your boards assigned to you in the People column and then puts them all in one place. Once you've set up a deadline for them, they appear in your My Work page. You can go on this page with the checkboard icon under the home icon on the sidebar. When you first go into this page, it will probably look a bit messy. Don't worry, this takes no time to clean up and make it work for you. Click on Customize on the top bar and a pop-up appears on the right. Here you'll be able to configure what you want to include on your task list. By adding people to this option, you can add or remove tasks assigned to people in your task list. If you just want your own, then simply type your name and include just yours. But if you have a team and need to keep track of their work too, you can add them and their tasks will appear in your list too. It saves time to go into each board individually to work out who has what tasks left to complete. Next, you can pick all of the boards that you want from the My Work page to count. For example, if you want your list to include only 2 of your 5 work boards, you can pick just these boards and the list will only pick up the items from them. For the status column, you can choose which status each board shows for your work list to measure your current progress. This is the one that's linked to your deadline, so you know when it's done and it can be taken off your list of your tasks. Finally, the date column will be added to your deadline for the tasks in your list for each board you've added. Now everything's set up, your list will show your tasks based on where they've come from and where their deadlines are. Then if you've completed a task, change the status to done and it will complete in your list. This will reflect in the board that the item sits and it will stay on your work list until the deadline has hit, so you'll always know what you've completed that week.
And that is My Work. If you found this video helpful, please consider hitting the like button and subscribing to the channel for more tutorials like this in future. And if you want us to spotlight a feature in Monday.com, leave a comment below and let us know. That's all for today though. Thank you for watching.